Namaste dear children, welcome to class 2 English subject. In the previous class I have discussed the exercise part. In this class I will continue the same. It is in page number 11, your textbook. J main question, work in pairs. Work in pairs. So we need to work in pair. I think we are not two. Our friends are not with us. So I will skip this part, main question part. Then I will come to the next main, K main question. Listen carefully, page number 12. Listen to your teacher and complete the picture. This is in your textbook. And there is one girl, she is holding one umbrella. Rain is coming and it is for drawing. It is incomplete, we need to complete this one. And how to complete? I will tell you. Before completion of this, before starting drawing on this page, listen to my words. 6 points I will tell you. You have to follow these 6 points while completing this picture. First point, draw a tree on the left. Second point, draw clouds in the sky. Third point, complete the drawing of the umbrella. Fourth point, draw 2 apples on the tree. Fifth point, draw flowers on the girl's frock. Sixth point, color the picture. These are the 6 points. If you want, pause this video and you can listen to the same instructions, 6 points once again, and draw, complete the picture and send me a photo. For this I will give you marks. I will add periodic test marks for this picture. Okay. Come to the next main question. Speak well. L main question. Take turns to ask and answer questions. Use the words yes or no. One is done for you. You means you. Would you like a sandwich? Your partner. Your partner may be your parents or your brother or your sister. Take their help. Let them speak like partner. Imagine. They must answer yes please. Or they may answer no thank you. This is the one sentence. You, your turn it is. Then let them to ask. You may use these words: an apple, a glass of water, play with my toys, read this story, use my crayons. These words. Would you like a sandwich? Replace sandwich with an apple. Would you like an apple? Who asks questions? Another must answer. Yes, please. If you want, then you need to respond yes, please. If you don't want, then you need to reply no, thank you. To questions you framed. Third question you can frame like, would you like a glass of water? The answer is yes, please, or no, thank you. Like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions you can make. This is for speaking skills development. You can practice this in your home, asking questions to your partner, either to your father or mother or brother or sister or grandparents, or if you have any friends, then ask them the questions. Tell them the answer as yes, please, or no, thank you, and you can give the chance to ask them a question to you, and you may answer, reply with yes, please, or no, thank you. This is practice purpose. Next main question, come to the 13th page number. Write well. M main question. Maya is at the supermarket. Imagine yourself in her place. Make a list of the things you would like to buy. See, Maya is in supermarket. You can imagine yourself in Maya's place. Make a list of things you would like to buy. What you want to buy, what you want to like to buy, here are the names: bread, toffees, juice, caps, cloths, toys, books, bed sheets, pens. Among these items, you can choose among these things, you can choose any 6 and write it below. My list. It is your list. You can choose whichever thing you want and write here. But remember, don't make spelling mistakes. Write as it is. If they are in capital letter, use capital letters. Come to the next page. Page number 14. Do and learn. Here are some things you can find in your room. Write their names. Choose from the box. Below this main question, options are chair, table, door, shelf, window, bed. 6 things, 6 pictures. First picture is, what is this picture is? Bed. First picture is bed. Second picture is chair. Second picture is about chair. The name of the second picture is chair. Third picture is, you can easily find out, third picture is door. Right below the door, door. Third one, fill in the blanks, door. Second one, fill in the blanks, chair. First one, fill in the blanks, bed. Then fourth one, under that object or picture. What is that one? Fourth one? Table. Isn't it? Then come to the fifth picture. What is that fifth picture? Window. And sixth picture is, last one, shelf. Okay, come to the below that one. Life skills. How do you spend your free time? Write S for sometimes or E for every day. First one, help at home. Write E here, every day. Second one, read books. In front of read books, write E every day. Just write letter E, capital letter E. Third option, play with friends. Write here capital letter S. Sometimes you can play with your friends. Fourth one, spend time with grandparents. Write E every time, every day. Fifth one, watch television. Write here yes, sometimes, capital letter S, sometimes. So here ends the first chapter. Children, be happy, stay safe in your home and read the lessons. धन्यवाद.